Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida. I'm filming on my phone like I used to because I didn't see why I would need my camera for this. So I've been seeing this thing go around on Twitter and Instagram where people are microwaving their beauty sponges. Yeah, so I guess this is a method to clean them. As far as I know of, this hack has been around for a really long time, but you know, the internet is an interesting place, and whenever something comes back around, they're always like, oh, it's so new, it's so shiny, it's so fresh. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this out. These are 3 of my beauty blenders, and you guys know that I typically wash my sponges with the Xote soap because it works really well and I've not had any problems. I will not be using one of my beauty blenders for this experiment because beauty blenders are expensive. Oh, and here's my other thing. I keep seeing people calling like every sponge a beauty blender. No, sis. Only the beauty blender is a beauty blender. That's the actual name of the brand and the sponge. Whereas you've got these sponges where people are calling them beauty blenders. And I'm like, nah, sis, these are Real Technique sponges. And those other little sponges you might get at like Walmart or like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or like Shop Miss A and a lot of other places. So yeah, let's do that because I get real tired of seeing people microwaving their Real Technique sponge. Talk about some, I microwaved and cleaned my beauty blender. No, honey, no. You did not risk $20 for this experiment. So I will not be risking $20 for this experiment because I buy all of my beauty blenders with my own money. Yeah. A girl got to pay bills and shit. Can't be wasting that. So I'm going to do it on this Real Technique sponge. I don't even use the sponge on my face. I used this sponge or my other Real Technique sponges on whenever someone's like, hey, do my makeup, or hey, let me sit down and let me practice on your face. So that's the sponge. This sponge has some powder on it and some foundation and concealer on it because I just did my mom's makeup yesterday for an event that she went to. So yeah, I'm going to try this out. Peace be with me. This is going to be annoying to do one-handed. Okay, so I need to put dish soap and water and then microwave it for like a minute. So I will do that. Okay, so I've got some Dawn dish soap. Oh, my mom's fancy. She got the hand renewal, the Olay one. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. I missed my little tripod. And turn on the water. Fill it. I'm assuming you have to fill it. Okay, I'm going to take this. I'm going to wipe this off a little bit before I put it in my microwave. Okay. And into the microwave it goes. Okay, so I'm going to set this for like a minute. And there it goes. I swear to God, if this ruins my sponge, I'll still be a little sad, even though this is a $5 sponge. I'm gonna be like, ah, the hell, why? Okay, so this is done. That's certainly hot. My sponge doesn't look crazy. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour off the hot water and pour on some cold water. And I'm going to wait a little bit before I start trying to squeeze out anything out of the sponge because this shit is hot. Okay? I've seen a lot of people just sit here like, oh yeah, I'm going to start squeezing the water out. No, sis, wait. Talk about something. Oh my God, I burned myself. Yeah, you burned yourself. All right, I'm gonna hit that with some cold water and let that sit for a minute. Okay, so what I did is I kind of squeezed some of the water out and squeeze it in the cup so some of the cool water could enter into the sponge. So let's try squeezing this out all the way now. Yeah, so this allows for whatever warm water is in here to just kind of get out. Okay, well, I'm not really, I'm seeing people who are like, oh, my sponge has been transformed. My sponge is looking kind of sad. My sponge is looking kind of sad. Not gonna lie. My Real Technique sponge is looking pretty sad. So it's like lost its shape. I can squeeze it like that and it just doesn't reform. Yeah, so this was a fail for me. My sponge is not necessarily that much cleaner. I could have honestly just used my Xote soap. Yeah. So if you try this hack and it works for you, then cool, awesome. It did not work for me. So yeah, that's also why I didn't use my beauty blender, because that shit's 20 bucks. I'd be crying right now, whereas this was only like $5 and I've already had it for a couple months, so it's about that time I like toss it out anyway. So that was a fail. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there are any more beauty hacks or anything like that you guys want me to try. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.